Good day, YouTube, and thank you for subscribing. This is Jay with Falling Forward Financial. I just wanted to make a quick video before tomorrow, before Tesla goes into the S&P. It's going to be a wild ride, I think. I'm looking forward to it. Should be very interesting. Again, this is Jay. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. I don't give tax advice or anything. I'm just here to state my opinion. And let's go into it. I have a couple articles to go over with you before tomorrow. Again, as you can see, I have Tesla pulled up on Robinhood here. I have 2 shares and a partial share. My average cost is $562.32. Don't really need to go over a lot of the up and down with Tesla, as you probably already know. I think this was just some active trading on Friday, getting ready for the anticipation on Monday. As you can see, my average cost $562.32. I bought a full share back on September 1st, and about 3 months later, bought another share. So it looks like it went up about 148, almost $150 in a little over 3 months, and then I bought a partial share on December 9th. If I have any money left over, I might be buying some more tomorrow depending on the volatility, but we'll go ahead and see how it goes tomorrow. Should be a very interesting day. Just making a quick video here. Tesla's rise made 2020 the year of the U.S. auto industry went electric. Tesla Incorporated Wall Street made 2020 the year the U.S. auto industry decided to go electric. And as you can see, Elon in the front of a picture of one of the Teslas. The market capitalization surged above $600 billion, making the once wobbly startup founded by billionaire Elon Musk worth more than 5 top-selling global vehicle-making groups combined. The exclamation point came on Friday when Tesla rose to a record high in a frantic trading ahead of the stock's much-anticipated entrance into the benchmark S&P 500. So tomorrow should be a very interesting day. I'm not going to read the whole article to you. If you would like to pause the video and go ahead and read it for yourself. I just wanted to make a quick video. And this just kind of goes over GM plugging into the, just kind of following Tesla's lead in the electric vehicle market as well. So as you probably already know, if you're out there watching Tesla, a lot of the other companies, NIO, Xpeng, LI, a lot of them are getting into the electric market. Tesla debuts in the S&P after frantic Friday trading. Tesla Incorporated will on Monday make its much-anticipated debut into the benchmark S&P 500. Should be interesting. They tried once before, and I can't remember all the situation, what fell through, but tomorrow is the day. So should definitely be interesting. Again, if you'd like to go ahead and pause the video and read that, I'm not going to read it all to you. I'm sure you're all up on Tesla if you're watching this video. So again, it's just going to kind of raise the price to earnings, the P/E ratio. So it should be interesting after we see what all is going to happen after tomorrow. Benzinga is currently showing a strong buy, a buy, and a buy, and they have different price targets here. I've heard some speculating it hitting 700 tomorrow. As you can see, it's 677. The 52-week high The high on Friday was 684.73, and the 52-week high is $695. I did think this article was pretty interesting. Elon Musk asked about converting large transactions to Bitcoin. Elon Musk on Sunday asked about the possibility of converting large transactions of Tesla Incorporated balance sheet into Bitcoin, according to a Twitter exchange between Musk and a well-known advocate for the digital currency. SpaceX owner and Tesla CEO Elon Musk grimaces after arriving on the red carpet for the Axel Springer Award in Berlin, Germany on December 1st, 2020. Michael Saylor, Chief Executive Officer of MicroStrategy Incorporated, in a tweet to Musk suggested that the billionaire Tesla founder and head make the move if you want to do your shareholders $100 billion favor, convert the Tesla balance sheet from USD to Bitcoin. Saylor wrote in his tweet, other firms on the S&P 500 would follow your lead and in time would grow to become a $1 trillion favorite. So again, that's another interesting piece. As you may already know, Bitcoin is way up over 20,000. I believe it was 23 or 24,000 at this time of making this video. So again, I thought that was pretty interesting. Right here, Bitcoin rose to a high of $24,299.75 on Sunday, after passing the $20,000 milestone for the first time last week. Amid surging interest from larger investors, Bitcoin was last at 23,000. I don't think that number's right. It looks like it's missing a number. But anyway, I just had a quick video here to play. It's kind of interesting.
In markets over the next couple of days, and especially as it relates to index composition. Not often the hottest topic in the market, but with Tesla set to join the S&P after the close today, certainly something investors are keeping a very close eye on. For more on this conversation, we're joined now by Howard Silverblatt. He is a senior index analyst over at S&P Global. Howard, it is great to talk with you this morning, and I'd love to begin by just having you put in context for us the unprecedented nature of Tesla's inclusion, given the size of the company and how large a weight it's going to have in the S&P when it does join.
Yeah, the price will be determined tonight, obviously, but at this point in time, Tesla will be the largest issue we've ever put into the index. It will be the seventh largest, 1.57%, just below Alphabet, ahead of Berkshire Hathaway. And it will require, again, we'll have to see how the actual trades go down, but about $85.2 billion in trading just for Tesla alone. And the major item here is that in order to buy something for $85 billion, you need to sell something for $85 billion. So the rest of the index, the members will come under some pressure on selling as funds attempt to liquidate the other issues and pick up Tesla. The big action is expected to be near the end of the day because that's the price that the index uses, is closing price. So everyone wants to get in right at the close there, which will make a lot of commotion.
Speaking of commotion, Howard, it's Julie here. It's good to see you. We also have, as we noted on that graphic, quadruple witching happening today, which is the expiration of futures and options contracts. That also tends to cause a lot of volatility, particularly at the open and at the close, and an uptick in volume. So when you combine that with the Tesla effect, what can we expect?
Even more volatility, yes. The liquidity obviously will be high. There'll be a lot of action taken outside of the S&P 500 for the options and futures, as you noted. With our rebalancing, which we also do on this day to put our pieces in there, indexes will have to generate at least $100 billion in additional trading. So again, it will be very hectic. However, with regards to the buying and selling for the index. The funds and money managers have had this information for almost a month, and they had planned it out, their side, exactly how they want to do their trades and at what point. On the other side, the people who have purchased, let's say, Tesla as a short-term investment, hoping to sell into that, have also planned it out. So you're going to have a bit of a battle with the two objectives against each other right at the end of the close today. So it's going to be hectic. If individuals want to get in there, they should be advised that the other players are very quick. They've got it planned out, and your risk reward is a lot steeper than it was before.
Howard, do you think we'll see a good deal of selling in those smaller cap companies in the S&P 500 because of the inclusion?
Yes. Again, they have to get this $85 billion from somewhere. We're not as concerned about the higher end, and they do it in proportion, of course, so they're going to be selling Apple a lot more than a smaller company. Some of the lower volatility stocks are a concern, and that's why we've looked at the situation as this. You could have some kind of order imbalance shortly near the end of the market. Again, it usually self-alleviates by Monday on the opening. But yes, that is a concern. The issues that do not trade that much and all of a sudden have some selling without the buyers in there to support it.
All right, Howard Silverblatt, Senior Index Analyst over at S&P Global. Howard, great to get your thoughts this morning on this very exciting day for S&P 500 composition. Have a great holiday. I know we'll talk next year.
Again, I just thought that was pretty interesting. Again, $6,200 billion market cap company. Index is the 6th largest company. The stock is up about 657% more than the S&P's 500, 16% gain. A huge amount of the money is invested in funds that track the S&P. 4 of the top 5 largest mutual funds track the index for Vanguard, State Street, Fidelity, and BlackRock, and a combined $1.2 trillion, making a fairly prosaic topic index composition a big headline. So again, I just thought that article was interesting, and just like he said, in order to buy something for $85 billion, you're going to need to sell something for $85 billion. So there's going to be a lot of trading going on tomorrow. Should be a very interesting day in the market. So again, this is Jay. I just wanted to turn out a Tesla video. I've been holding off putting on a Tesla video, and I just thought today was the right day to make it, especially where it said Elon was wanting to, here it is, converting large transactions to Bitcoin. I just thought that was pretty interesting. I hadn't read that until I did a little bit of research on Tesla tonight. Anyway, just making a quick video, and should be really interesting tomorrow. I wish you all the best. If you're trading Tesla, I'm just kind of holding it as a long term. I haven't really day traded it or anything, so I've just been kind of buying and holding it, as you can see. I do have a couple other shares in an IRA. I can't remember the cost basis on that. I believe it's under 500, about 480. A couple shares in there as well. So if it dips, I'll try to buy some more. If not, probably just keep dollar cost averaging in, and just kind of go with the flow, and maybe it'll split again someday. Again, this is Jay with Falling Forward Financial. Please check the links. Go ahead and support the channel by getting some free stock, and that'll help support the channel with the links. If you don't trade on Webull or Doe, you can get some free stock that way, as well as Robinhood, and I have some other links listed there as well. Again, this is Jay, Falling Forward Financial. I thank you for watching. I thank you for subscribing. Go ahead and hit that like button for me. And you have a great day, great weekend. Happy trading tomorrow. Stay green. Go Tesla.